Hello everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we are going to make Inarizushi. Inari Sushi. I'm sure many of you like sushi. Usually the sushi has vinegared rice on the bottom and fresh fish on top. Inarizushi is not like that, but it's also called sushi since it has vinegared rice inside of the fried tofu. So it's kinda vegan and vegetarian version sushi in Japan. You can buy this Inarizushi at supermarkets and convenience stores these days. Japanese mama usually makes Inarizushi to bring for sports festival or hanami, seeing cherry blossoms. Since it's so sweet, many kids love it. My children love Inarizushi, so I make quite a lot. So let's make Inarizushi together today. And as always, my furry family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining. During this video, I introduce some useful techniques and cooking ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Shall we make? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Inarizushi are ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます。As soon as you take a bite, the flavor spread in your mouth. The vinegared rice is still warm and it has a lot of flavor in it. The flavor from the sushi rice and the juice from absorbed fried tofu harmonize very well. Just delicious. It's also a good snack for adults and also children. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: if the fried tofu is hard to open, you can put the chopsticks on it and roll it all around. Tip: if you pour the hot water to remove the oil from the fried tofu, the flavor will soak in well. It's a small tip, but it tastes so different, so I really recommend. And tip: please don't crush the sushi rice, but mix it in to let the air in it. Mario! Hi Mario-kun! Today you come here. So those are the tips and recommendations. How was today's video? I hope this recipe helps you to make daily meals and also makes your family happy. If you want to see more vegan sushi recipes, please comment down below. And of course, other requests, please comment down below. And be sure to hit the like buttons. Your like button motivates me to film another videos. So don't forget. And if you see this video for the first time, please subscribe my channel. I introduce easy, delicious, and nutritious Japanese food, including baby meals and kids meals. Would you like to know more about Japanese food and culture? Please join my newsletter. To sign in, please go to my food blog. It's called yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. Pop-up screen comes up. Please type your email address and name and click. And that's it. And special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Usually they are very quiet in this video, but in my second channel, which is called YUCa's Diary, you will see they are awake and play with my children and family lifestyle in Japan. So please check my second channel, YUCa's Diary. I hope you enjoy watching my Japanese mom life from my vlogs. So thank you for watching everyone. We will see you next time. Bye bye!